So you're thinking about moving to San Antonio and your price point is in the 300 to about 400,000 price range. Well, you're in luck because today we're going to be checking out this brand new construction home behind me by Meritage Homes, and they've got some incredible incentives. So you'll want to stick around to make sure you see those, and we're going to get after it right now. Hey y'all, my name is Brock, and if you're brand new to the channel and you want to know everything there is about living in San Antonio, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap that bell icon so you'll be the first to learn about the current market here in San Antonio, Texas. Now, I'm getting phone calls, texts, and emails all of the time for folks just like you who are looking to make their move to San Antonio, and I just love when that happens. So regardless if you're moving in the next 7 days or even the next 70 days, do not hesitate to reach out to me. You can give me a phone call, shoot me a text, send me an email, or if you want to get face-to-face on Zoom, I'd be more than happy to meet you there. All of my contact information is down in the description for you below, and I can't wait to help you make a smooth move to San Antonio, Texas. Now, today we are in a brand new community by Meritage Homes, and it is called Thomas Pond. It's located on the far west side of San Antonio, and driving into this community was quite peaceful. We're not quite in the country, but it's kind of got a little bit of a country feel to it driving out here, as it's been growing rapidly. So there's, the roads and stuff haven't quite kept up with the traffic and the construction growth out here, but it is a peaceful and very nice location overall. This community has currently 14 homes that are ready to be sold and would be ready by the end of the year. So if you're looking for a quick move-in ready home, there are some available in this community, and I know this builder Meritage, they're building all over San Antonio and have several available. Now, while I'm talking about homes ready by December, there are some great incentives to include $7,500 in closing costs, and they're currently buying down interest rates for buyers down to 5.875%, and of course those will probably change by the time you're seeing this, but if you want the latest information on the incentives, the pricing, or availability of homes, go ahead and reach out to me. Again, my contact information is down below in the description for you. But yeah, this home right here behind me is incredible, so we're gonna go check it out right now, and I will see you in there. Alrighty y'all, welcome to the Rio Grande floor plan by Meritage Homes. This is a single story house with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and about 1,929 square feet of living space. Inside this house, you will see a great open floor plan here. I just love the way that it's open between the dining, the kitchen, and the living room area. It's also got a unique area for a desk or office space towards the back of the house that is something I haven't seen before in a house, but I like it. I think it's unique. And with that, I'm going to let you enjoy the rest of this house tour, but if you have any questions, do not hesitate to give me a call, send me a text message, or even send me an email if you'd like. All my contact information is down in the description, and I can't wait to hear from you soon. All right, well, thank you so much for going on this home tour with me today. I hope you enjoyed this brand new home and brand new community with me. Again, this is built by Meritage Homes on the far west side of town, but if this is something you like, they do have it available in other communities as well. So regardless, if you're moving in the next 7 days or even the next 70 days, go ahead and give me a phone call, shoot me over a text, send me an email, or if you want to get face-to-face on Zoom, I'd be more than happy to meet you there as well. All of my contact information is down below in the description for you, and I can't wait to help you make a smooth move to San Antonio. Now, these builders are giving some incredible incentives that I mentioned at the beginning of the video, but unfortunately they can and will change at the builder's discretion. So I've got a great working relationship with these builders, and if you want the latest pricing, availability, as well as the current incentive information, do not hesitate to reach out to me. I'd be more than happy to go and track down that information for you and get it to you so you can get a fantastic deal. But with that, I want to wish you a fantastic day, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.